After dismantling a pneumatic hose reel, an operator is lying on the ground with head and arm injuries. What really happened? Shift know what their jobs are for the night, but his crew does not understand clearly. And the job, operators 1 and 2 get to work preparing a hose reel to be sent ashore. They close the isolation valve on the air supply line for the hose reel, but it won't close. They personnel won't close. Loosening the foundation bolts on the hose reel while the valve is still open. To get a tool to loosen the bolts. One and the rig personnel decide to stop trying to close the valve and continue the next day. To close off the air supply for the entire drilling area. Leave the area. Keep working at loosening the foundation bolts. Comes back. Pressurized at approximately 9 bar. The close-off valve for the air supply is closed, so he loosens the coupling to release the remaining air and bleed off the pressure. And the air pipe slides out of the coupling. Hits the operator, causing injuries to his head and both arms. The noise, and finds his colleague bleeding on the gangway. Are not serious, but if the pipe had hit the operator at a slightly different angle, the operator could have been permanently disabled. I'll go to take a look at the scene of the accident while the air is still blowing uncontrollably. Enter the unsecured area, which an hour after the accident. Civil and organizational conditions affect this incident. Lappin to find out what went wrong, focusing on how we can prevent this kind of accident from happening again. Click Events. Discuss what could have been done differently and what could have been done better. Then report to see the conclusion from the investigation report for each point. In advance of this operation. Job structured and clear. Always ask for confirmation. Equipment shall be planned comprehensively. Systems. If, conduct a safe job analysis. If met before starting the job. When closing off the air supply to the hose reel. To quality control the maintenance work. Associated with simultaneous operations. What directly before and during the accident. Mains on communication and collaboration. And been completed before continuing your work. In accordance with the checklist by running the hose reel, never by loosening the coupling. Differently after the accident. Operation procedures shall be followed. This immediately after the accident. Shall not enter the scene of the accident. Similar situation occur where you work? Is your communication always good? You always follow procedures and checklists? Our work is never so important nor so urgent that we don't have time to do it safely.